Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's having a great start to their day. Let's get into some levels. All right, so looking at yesterday's chart, this is our value area based on yesterday's profile. And you can see that price in pre-market is down here at 683.72, so about $1, down about $1, down to basically where we started yesterday's session. Retesting this level again is what it looks like to me. Still got 30 minutes before the market opens, so we'll see if it can jump back up into here or if we're going to need to use a different level. So what I'm going to do is scroll back and just grab one just in case I need it. 683. That one's a little too low, wouldn't get us there. Might use this one. This one's got a big area to work with. So that way if we get into some chop like yesterday, I'll just stay out of trades. Oh, this one looks like though it might be perfect. All right, so I'm going to mark this one out. Well, it's going to be a little one. But that might be all we get today. Also, let that go. All right, just drag this over here. All right, so we'll see how that plays out. And then I want to look at some levels to target in case we break out of this area. If price opens in here, then I'll delete this, and this will just become a new target area. But you just got to see where price opens at. So I use that as a top of a range there for a target. Again, not a ton going on. I mean, this right here looks like a little shelf right here on the profile. Be good to use. And then again, just, gosh, we've got some room to the downside right here if we can get it. I mean, yesterday was pretty brutal with chop. We had this move right here, and then that was it pretty much for the rest of the day. There were some moves actually in the recap. I mean, I stopped trading after my second trade. I just didn't like the price action. I was profitable, and I just called it a day. It looks like we're moving down pre-market. Which is good. So I'll just have to keep an eye on this. This is kind of why I don't like doing these videos. I like doing my work here right before market opens so that I get a clean idea of what the day is going to look like. But I know that I need to get this out too so that people have time to see it before the market opens. But I want a clean level. It looked like, I checked this at 7:30 and we were sitting up here. It looked like we were going to get a nice clean open of where yesterday left off, but now prices dropped $1 and it doesn't look like that's going to happen. And then above this, if price does happen to go up, we'll be near all-time highs. And so if price goes up above this area, which this would probably be another level I would mark out if we don't go back up here before market open as a target area, our target price. And then above here, you know, there's not a ton. I look for these low volume areas. I think the price should breeze right through here and then, you know, maybe have some trouble once it gets up to these areas. But it's got to happen first. I was hoping for that yesterday, and just frustrating day yesterday if anyone traded that all day, I'm sure. Wow, price is continuing to drop. If you drop down into here, that'd be pretty good. Got two value areas in the past that we could reference. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this one, I think. I don't want to mess around with chop today. And so I'm just going to make this zone bigger. Kind of like to get into a trade though right there if it breaks up above, because I could catch maybe just a, you know, 70 some cent move between there and call it a day if I wanted to. And this looks like it's, you know, a nice big zone to work with, so that if price does chop, it can just chop around in there and keep me out of a trade. What I would really like to see is get out of this zone and work our way down there would be pretty good, and vice versa for up here. I'm going to go ahead and delete this for now. Work our way up here, break through these two, and then get some nice levels up here, and then above here, you know, good luck. Gold is at an all-time high, and that's the problem with all-time highs is you have no, once you get above here, you have no reference points. You have no levels. So what do you do? You know, for me, it means I'm out of a trade. I'm not trading until some new levels are built. But this looks like it's going to be my zone for today, unless market jumps back up here in the next 30 minutes. I have to keep an eye on it, and I'll adjust as needed. Hope everybody has a great day. It'd be a great thing to get a nice day right before Christmas, but we will take what the market gives us. We'll stay out of what it doesn't give us. So have a great day, everybody, and we will talk to you later today in the recap.